Hey guys, welcome to Matt Gourmet Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you guys how to prepare pumpkin rice for you and the family or friends. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and also click that notification bell to get notified when I upload my videos. All that I'll be using to prepare my pumpkin rice will be listed down in the description box, so you guys can just go there and check it out.
Jave Beats exclusive.
Now here's all that I'll be using to prepare my pumpkin rice. I'll be using some extra virgin olive oil. I'll be using some scallion, some chopped onion, some fresh thyme. I'll also be using one green pepper. I got some chopped garlic that I'll be using. I got 1 teaspoon of turmeric also. And here I got 1 tin of coconut milk that I'll be using. I got my pumpkin that I'll be using so. And also I'll be using 1 pack of this pumpkin soup mix. And here I got 4 cups of Basmati Rice that I'll be using. Now you want to go ahead and start to peel your pumpkin. I'm just going to cut this in half, make it much more easier for me to peel. Guys, you just want to go ahead and peel the skin off of your pumpkin. You want to make sure you be careful with the knife when you're peeling your pumpkin skin. You don't want it to cut you. After you finish peeling your pumpkin, guys, you're going to cut them up in some cube size. You don't want to cut them too big, and you don't want to cut them too small. Right. So that. Finish peeling this pumpkin now. Now you just want to go ahead and cut them some cube size, guys. Like this, guys. So you want to cut them perfect size for your pumpkin rice when you're boiling them. Just like that, guys. So you want your pumpkin side. So you want to cut them, and you add them to your basin now, guys. Because after you finish cutting them up and peeling your pumpkin, you're gonna rinse them. This, guys, I'll get right back to you when I'm finished peeling this pumpkin. Now here you have it, guys. I've finished cutting up my pumpkin in these cube size. Now I'm just gonna rinse this underneath the cold water for about 2 times. Wash off anything that's on it, and I'll get back to you. Now here you have it, guys. I've finished rinsing off my pumpkin. They're looking all so beautiful and also nice. Yes, guys. Now you just want to go ahead and get your pot where you're gonna cook your pumpkin rice in. Yes, guys. You just want to go ahead and preheat that pot for about a minute or 2. Some extra virgin olive oil. I'm using about 3 tablespoons of this oil. So guys, let's preheat that a minute or 2 and I'll get right back to you. Now here you have it, guys. My oil is preheated and I'm just going in with my chopped onion and also my garlic. Just want to saute these for about a minute or 2. Wow, this garlic and onion smelling so good, guys. I'm telling you, I like the smell of seasoning when they're fried up. It smells so nice. So just leave it for about a minute or 2 to saute. I'm going in with my turmeric powder. This will give it an extra flavor for my pumpkin rice. Also going in with about a pinch of salt. This guys, not much. About that amount. This guys. I just want to give that a stir now. For about a minute or two to saute. Guys, these are all sauteed now. Now you don't want to go in with 2 cups of water into that. Now you're going to leave this to come to a boil. And I'll get right back to you guys when it's all boiled up. You want to make sure your fire is on a medium heat. Now here you have it guys. My water is come to a boil now. Now you just want to go ahead and add your pumpkins in. This guys, you want to be careful when you add them in. Mind that hot water splash up on you. Just take time and put them in guys. Now you're going to leave this to boil for about 8 to 10 minutes. This guys, and I'll get right back to you when it's all when my pumpkins are boiled. Now guys, in the meanwhile your pumpkin is boiling for that 8 to 10 minutes, you just want to go ahead and rinse your basmati rice. I'm just going to throw it in a bigger basin so you can wash your rice guys. You want to make sure you wash this rice at least 2 to 3 times guys. So you wash out all of that starch on your rice. This is how I wash my rice guys. I rub it like this. I wash it with my 2 hands guys, just like that. I wash them, rub it like that guys. Get rid of that starch out of it. Look at that. Because it's all white already guys. Just want to get through off that now. And rinse it again. Guys, you want to make sure you rinse your rice underneath some cold water. Just like that guys. Guys, look at that, my water is looking all clear. Now I'm just gonna throw this off now and get it all ready for my pumpkin when it's finished boiling. Yes, guys, look at that rice looking beautiful and all clean up. Now here you have it guys, after that 8 minutes my pumpkins are all boiled. So guys, you don't want to overboil them guys because you don't want them to smash out, get all mushy. Yes, guys. Now I'm going in with my coconut milk. Guys, just like that. Also I'm going in with the rest of my seasoning. Scotched bonnet pepper and also my scallion. Just want to kind of break up the scallion like that guys to get the flavor from out of it. So guys, and also my pumpkin mix soup. I'm just using the powder from it guys. I'm not using the noodles, so you want to get your strainer. Just kind of strain that. Right. Just like that, guys. Just get the powder from it. And you just want to give that a stir now. Mix that around into your pumpkin. It's going to give your rice that lovely flavor now. Yes, guys. I'm just going to leave this for a minute or 2 just to boil up and I'll get right back to you guys. You can see my puppy's come to a boil now. Now it's time to add my rice in. Yes, guys. So I'm going into your basmati rice. I'm telling you guys, this rice is a perfect rice. It's so easy to cook for basmati. Guys. Get all of that in there. Just like that, guys. Just want to go ahead and just give this a stir now. Guys, gonna cover this up now and leave it to cook for about 15 to 20 minutes, and I'll get right back to you. Now here you have it, guys, after that 15 minutes. Wow, pumpkin rice smelling so nice, guys. I wish I was in the kitchen to smell this wonderful aroma coming from my pumpkin rice, smelling so nice. Yes, guys, as you can see, my liquid is all dried out. Yes, guys, now you want to go ahead and turn on your fire on a low heat. Yes, guys, and you want to cover it up now with some foil paper and leave it to steam for about the next 15 minutes. Yes, guys, you can see the rice is looking all shelly already. Now I just want to leave this out to steam some more for about the next 15 minutes, guys, and I'll get right back to you. My pumpkin rice is officially finished after that 15 minutes. I remove my foil paper. Yes, guys, look at that. Wow, smells so nice, guys. Look at the rice, all shelly and nice, guys. I'm telling you, taste it. That's right, perfect. This is how you want to prepare your pumpkin rice for you and your family or your friends when they come around to your home. Yes, guys, this is amazing. Tasting so nice, guys. I can't wait to have some of this pumpkin rice. So you want to do your, that's how you want to prepare your pumpkin rice. Let me turn off my stove. Yes, guys, thanks for watching Matt Gourmet Kitchen. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Hit me up in the comment section, guys. Tell me what you think about this pumpkin rice when you give it a try at home. It's so perfect, guys. It's amazing. Tastes so nice. Until next time, thanks for watching.